Key differences between India and Pakistan. Hey everyone. Today, we're talking about the differences between India and Pakistan. Though they share a common history, these neighboring countries have developed distinct identities. Let's explore their history, culture, politics, and more. 1. History. India and Pakistan were once part of British India, but in 1947, they split into two nations. India became a secular state, while Pakistan was established as a homeland for Muslims. This partition led to significant migration and conflict. 2. Culture and religion. India is known for its diversity, with many religions like Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, and more. Pakistan, while predominantly Muslim, has smaller Hindu and Christian communities. Language-wise, India has Hindi and regional languages, while Pakistan's official languages are Urdu and English. 3. Politics. India is the world's largest democracy with a long-standing parliamentary system. Pakistan, also a democracy, has experienced periods of military rule that have shaped its governance. 4. Geography and economy. India has varied landscapes from the Himalayas to tropical coasts and a rapidly growing economy. Pakistan's geography includes mountains and deserts, with an economy focused on agriculture and textiles but facing challenges in growth. 5. Sports and culture. Both countries share a love for cricket and have vibrant music and film scenes. India's Bollywood is globally known, while Pakistan's dramas and music have a strong cultural influence. Despite their shared history, India and Pakistan have unique identities shaped by culture, politics, and geography. Understanding these differences highlights the richness of both nations. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more content.